Are you tired of the same old 9 to 5 routine? Looking for ways to break free from the traditional job market and make money on your own terms? In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of side hustles. Get ready to discover 15 innovative and profitable side hustle ideas that will allow you to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or simply seeking additional income, these side hustles have the potential to transform your financial landscape. As the famous philosopher Arthur C. Clarke once said, the only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. With this mindset, we embark on a journey to explore a collection of side hustle ideas that can be pursued right from the comfort of your home. Let's get started with the number one on our list. 1. Virtual event organizer. Step into the extraordinary realm of virtual event innovation, where imagination knows no bounds and creative possibilities abound. As a visionary virtual event architect, you possess the power to transcend traditional boundaries and create truly immersive and unforgettable digital experiences. Prepare to embark on a journey that will redefine the very essence of virtual gatherings and leave a lasting impact on participants. Let's delve into some exceptional and imaginative ideas to elevate your virtual event organizing side hustle. 2. The virtual escape room extravaganza. Craft an exhilarating and immersive virtual escape room experience that challenges participants to solve intricate puzzles, uncover hidden clues, and work together to escape a virtual labyrinth. Push the boundaries of creativity and intrigue to create an unforgettable adventure. 3. Interactive virtual art exhibitions. Transform the digital space into a vibrant art gallery by curating a virtual art exhibition. Collaborate with talented artists, utilize 3D visualization technologies, and offer interactive elements that allow attendees to explore, appreciate, and engage with artwork from the comfort of their homes. 4. Personalized subscription boxes. Welcome to the world of personalized subscription boxes, where you have the opportunity to curate unique and tailor-made experiences for subscribers. Personalized subscription boxes go beyond generic offerings by delivering carefully selected items that cater to the individual preferences and interests of each subscriber. Let's delve into the details of this creative side hustle idea and explore how you can create remarkable personalized subscription boxes that leave a lasting impression. Create curated subscription boxes that cater to niche interests or hobbies. Whether it's a monthly package of unique stationery, exotic spices, or eco-friendly self-care products, delight customers with a personalized touch. 5. Customization surveys. Develop a detailed customization survey that subscribers fill out upon signing up. Ask questions about their preferences, tastes, sizes, dietary restrictions, or any other relevant criteria that will help you curate personalized items. Collecting this information will enable you to customize each box to suit individual preferences. Personalization and monogramming. Add an extra touch of personalization by offering monogramming or customization options for certain items. Whether it's adding a subscriber's initials to a skincare product, engraving a name on a piece of jewelry, or offering personalized stationery, these special touches can make each box feel truly one of a kind. 6. Mobile app reskinning. In the words of Pablo Picasso, every act of creation is first an act of destruction. With mobile app reskinning, you have the power to deconstruct existing apps and rebuild them into something entirely new. Think of it as giving a beloved app a vibrant makeover, infusing it with fresh visuals, exciting features, and a personalized touch that resonates with your target audience. In the realm of app reskinning, you have the power to transform existing mobile applications into captivating and visually stunning creations. Embrace the opportunity to re-imaging the digital landscape and leave an indelible mark on the mobile app industry. Put a creative spin on mobile app development by reskinning existing apps with new graphics, themes, and functionalities. Transform popular games or utility apps into visually stunning and customized experiences for users. For example, app selection, visual overhaul, quality assurance, app store optimization, user feedback iteration. 7. Customized 3D printing. Unlock the potential of 3D printing technology by offering customized creations. From personalized jewelry and home decor to innovative tech gadgets, bring people's ideas to life with your artistic flair. Where imagination meets technology to bring personalized creations to life. With customized 3D printing, you have the power to turn ideas and designs into tangible objects that are uniquely tailored to individual preferences and needs. Prepare to embark on a journey of innovation and creativity as we explore the possibilities of this remarkable side hustle idea, like limitless customization. Embrace the endless possibilities of customized 3D printing by offering a wide range of options for clients to personalize their objects. 8. Specialty food blogging. Dive into the world of niche cuisine by starting a food blog that focuses on a specific culinary theme or dietary requirement. Explore unique recipes, review lesser-known eateries, and share your gastronomic adventures with food enthusiasts. 9. Voiceover artist. Utilize your vocal talents by becoming a voiceover artist. Offer your services for commercials, audiobooks, video games, animations, and more. Create captivating character voices or lend your voice to narrate compelling stories. 10. Sustainable fashion upcycling. Combine your passion for fashion and sustainability by upcycling thrifted or old garments into trendy and eco-friendly fashion pieces. Design one-of-a-kind clothing, accessories, or home decor items that showcase your creativity and commitment to the environment. 11. Virtual interior design consultant. Help people transform their living spaces by offering virtual interior design consultations. Provide expert advice, mood boards, and personalized design recommendations to create stunning and functional spaces that reflect your clients' individual styles. 12. Online language tutoring. Share your language skills with the world by becoming an online language tutor. Offer personalized lessons and conversation practice to individuals eager to learn a new language or improve their language proficiency. 13. Live cooking classes. Whisk participants away on a culinary journey by organizing live virtual cooking classes. Partner with renowned chefs or local culinary experts to teach attendees how to prepare mouth-watering dishes, offering real-time guidance, interactive Q&A sessions, and a delectable sensory experience. 14. Handmade product creation. Tap into your artistic talents and create handmade products such as jewelry, candles, soaps, or ceramics. Sell your unique creations online through platforms like Etsy or your own website, showcasing your craftsmanship and appealing to customers seeking one-of-a-kind items. 15. Online fitness coaching. If you're passionate about fitness and have expertise in a particular discipline, consider offering online fitness coaching. Develop customized workout plans, provide nutritional guidance, and offer virtual training sessions to clients looking to improve their health and fitness from the comfort of their homes. Here's the bonus. 16. Social media management. Many businesses struggle to maintain a strong social media presence. If you have a knack for social media, offer your services as a social media manager. Help businesses create engaging content, manage their accounts, and grow their online following. As we come to the end of this exploration into creative ways to make money from the comfort of your own home, remember that the possibilities are limited only by your imagination and determination. The modern world has opened up a plethora of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals seeking to unleash their creative potential. In the realm of home-based businesses, success lies not only in the financial rewards, but also in the satisfaction of transforming your passions and skills into tangible offerings. By leveraging the power of technology, connecting with like-minded individuals, and continuously honing your craft, you have the opportunity to turn your home into a thriving hub of creativity and entrepreneurship. If you found this video valuable, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content focused on personal development, mindset, and strategies for success. Together, we can continue this journey of growth and empower ourselves to reach new heights. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power of a growth mindset lies within you.